Hello everyone, welcome. I just purchased this welding table from Northern Tools. It's made by Klutch. And the interesting thing about this table is that you can use it as a standalone or a bench top. But even better, it's at $179. I found it very, very tough to beat. It comes with a 24-piece set of fixed kit for round and square tubing. That's one of the things that attracted me the most, that it came with all these tools right out of the box. Pretty good tools. I'll show you in a bit, as I did already a partial unboxing. The table measures at 36 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and 33¼ inches in height. It comes with a steel frame. The steel frames are at a 2mm with a 4mm steel top. And as you can see, the welded frame is already attached to the steel top. It came very well packaged in styrofoam with a sheet of styrofoam around the metal top. And you could easily tell that it was oiled, so there is absolutely no rust at all. It comes with a 1, 2, 3, 4 box and the legs. And I'll show you in a second here as I unbox it and put it together how easy it is.
Okay, here we go. We got boxes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going kind of quickly now. 1 and 2 have the tabletop legs and the bolts that go onto both legs. The standalone and tabletop. 3 and 4 have the tools that go to the surface of the steel top. So something I didn't see in some of the reviews that I saw before purchasing this table is that the tabletop legs go on first. They're attached to the frame, then secured each with 2 bolts. Then the standalone legs right behind each one with the additional 2 bolts. I could easily tell that this added rigidity to the frame and stability to the legs even before the subframe was attached. So here we go. And here it is, fully assembled. I wanted to see if the surface of the steel top had any bow in it, so using a level that went across the entire table, I did not see any, so it's a good flat surface. And boxes 3 and 4, as you can see here, contain the pieces to hold round and square tubing. These are for small pieces, small projects. And the clamps are actually very good. I like everything overall. Thank you for watching. You have a good one. Bye.